What's up guys, my name is Joe and welcome to month 5, the end of month 5 of the 6-month hair growth challenge. That means we're almost there, we only have 1 month left. Now before we talk about it, I gotta introduce you to the newest member of the Andrews family, Mr. Rio the Beagle. If you've seen my Instagram, check it out. We've got, I don't know what's happening with my accent, but we've got a new dog. He is the most adorablest thing ever, named Rio the Beagle. Yeah, he's sleeping over there at the moment, so I'm not gonna wake him up, but I'll throw in some B-roll so you can check him out. First dog that I have to fully take care of with my wife, who does a great job, by the way. So that's cool, man, that's exciting. What's that? Yeah, there you go. Pull it off. Nice. Who else has a dog? Raise your hand. Also, there's a poll, so you can let me know. Also, let me know what kind of dog you've got down below. Anyone else have a beagle? If so, when do they stop biting and pooing everywhere? That would be some helpful information. Anyways, check this out. We are on the home stretch of the 6-month hair growth update. I've got to show you guys some community results. I posted in the Facebook BluMaan community asking for updates from month 1 to month 5. We've got some transformations happening, so check this out. Here's our first guy. You can see that we started with a little bit of a forward quiff, similar to me actually. When my hair was shorter, I started with a forward quiff. And now it's getting longer. It's looking good. Those sides are cleaned up. Very nice. Boom, another one. Boom, another one. That's pretty serious growth actually for 6 months. Okay, looking, it's hard to see the full picture, but I can see some growth, so good job. Nice as well. It looks like a number of people started out with a similar length that I did. So it's interesting to see, how fast hair grows on different people. Isn't that fascinating? We've also got Scott over here with a similar forward quiff to now swoopy back, volumized hairstyle. Looking good there, Scott. Okay, similar to what I've got going on right now. Also very good. And here's the before, and there's the after. In my opinion, pretty much all of these guys are looking better with the longer hair. I'm just saying, it looks like this 6-month hair growth challenge is helping a lot of people, which is kind of the intent, it's kind of to push back or push past your own comfort zone and see what you're capable of in terms of hairstyling results. I'm sure some of you guys are like, man, this was not for me. I wish I didn't do it. Let me know if that's you, if you've actually had some trouble. But anyways, there's some styling differences that I've been making now that my hair's been getting a little bit longer, and I wanted to just share that with you. Right, so what I've been doing recently as my hair's been getting longer is actually incorporating a hair straightener. Just trying to get it to the right temperature. I can't see, this thing's old. I usually use mini ones. I think they're still coming from the UK because of the move, or I didn't pack them. I can't quite remember. But anyways, as my hair's been getting longer, I find that just using the straighteners just helps to keep the control all day. I say this often, I've got poofy hair, and the longer it gets, just the more poofy it gets. And I find that a straightener just helps to kind of reduce that poof a little bit and just keep it, keep that swoop action going for as long as I need it to. Yeah, that smells like it's on. I know you hair health purists out there are not gonna appreciate this, but what can I say? I've been kind of testing it over the past couple weeks. My hair is still fine. I still use Original, which of course has heat protectant built into the formula. This stuff right here. We're dealing with second day hair as well, so I went through with some dry shampoo. But adding some products before you use something like a straightener can also help create a protective barrier, especially if it has heat protectant in it. So these things are on. All I'm gonna do, whoop, get in there, grab, and pull. I've made hair straightening tutorials before. If you've missed those, you wanna check them out, right there. Now, I'm not very meticulous. I'm just kind of in there. I don't care if it's perfect. I'm just trying to get, a general coverage. Also, I don't do this every day. I've just been doing this more often now that my hair is getting a little bit longer. You want to leave it long enough to make sure that the heat straightens out your hair. It's better to go in, stay, and pull slowly, and do it less times than go in, pull quick, and do it more times. Does that make sense? That's pretty much that. Like my hair, oh, it feels nice, man. I know like the straightener is not the best thing for your hair, but your hair does feel nice after you use one. If you want any hair straightener recommendations, I've got some mini ones. I prefer the mini straighteners. I've got some recommendations down below. And to finish this off, interestingly enough, if I can find it, I've actually been going back to Monarch for my swoopy hairstyle because I just really like how Monarch works at this length. So my favorite use for Monarch matte paste is really a kind of shorter textured forward quiff and getting longer when I'm not trying to, you know, go for so much volume, but rather keep it controlled and swoopy. So Monarch matte paste, this has also been my go-to for the past couple weeks, like my main product, obviously not my only one. It's solid though, it's been performing really well for me. It's nice, soft and squishy. Soft and squishy product, very good. It's just gonna be a little bit more natural feeling than something like Cavalier, which for the hairstyles that I've been going for, I like that slightly more natural look, but still really nice texture. So it looks, you know, it looks like I've put in a bit of effort. Boom, look at it. This is what I call a successful 6-month hair growth challenge. We're not finished yet. I've been enjoying having longer hair again. 2018 for me seemed to be the year of shorter hair, at least for majority, or at least like 6, 7, 8 months, something like that. I had shorter hair. Having longer hair again, it feels nice. I feel like I'm going back to my roots a little bit. It's just kind of, you know, it's what I like. And I know you guys love to be like, oh, you've had the same hairstyle forever. Next video is gonna be a hairstyle history of my own hairstyles. I'm gonna be showing you guys everything that I've brought to you over the years here on the channel. We'll see what you think after you see that. In fact, I have brought more than just 1 or 2 hairstyles. But here's to month 6. After we finish this challenge, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I might not cut it, you know, I might keep it going a little bit, see what I think. What are you thinking? After the 6-month challenge, are you getting rid of the hair, or are you gonna keep it going, or are you gonna maintain its length? I might even mess with some more color. It's been a while since I've done some color in my hair, so many possibilities. It's an endless world of possibilities when it comes to men's hair. With that said, this challenge ends on March 17th, so that is just under a month. Of course, that will be the final update to this 6-month hair growth challenge. It's been a fun ride. Thank you for those of you who have been with me on this ride. You haven't been on me, thank goodness. With that said, tune in next time. I'll see everybody, well, next time.